I had everything. Some nights were restless, sleep wouldn't come, lost in the darkness, worn down and numb. But you sat beside me through every need. When bread was scarce, Lord, you gave me peace. When I had nothing, you were enough. No gold in my hands, Lord, but I had your love. The world said I'm empty, but heaven could see. I thought I had nothing, but I had everything. I didn't have answers, I didn't have much, just a heart full of questions and faith in your touch. When I had nothing and no place to turn, you showed me your mercy was more than enough. When I had nothing, you were enough. No gold in my hands, Lord, but I had your love. The world said I'm empty, but heaven could see. I thought I had nothing, but I had everything.